Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a picture that you like to tweak by cropping someone out? No problem. I will show you how to do this quickly and easily on your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open the photo app. Find the photo you want to edit and tap to open it. In the top right corner, tap Edit to enter editing mode. Tap the crop icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a square with arrow around it. Drag the corner of the crop frame to resize and position it so that the person you want to crop out is outside the frame. You can also use your finger to zoom in and out for a more precise crop. Once you are happy with the crop, tap Done in the bottom right corner to save your changes. And that's it guys, you successfully cropped someone out of your photo on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.